Hello, and welcome once again to the Daily Message. As I mentioned on Monday, each day this week I'm going to offer a brief reflection on one of the scripture readings for each of the liturgies for the week. So today I want to read the entire reading from the book of Ezra. At the time of the evening sacrifice, I, Ezra, rose in my wretchedness, and with cloak and mantle torn, I fell on my knees, stretching out my hands to the Lord my God. I said, My God, I am too ashamed and confounded to raise my face to you. O my God, for our wicked deeds are heaped up above our heads, and our guilt reaches up to heaven. From the time of our fathers even to this day, great has been our guilt, and for our wicked deeds we have been delivered up, we and our kings and our priests, to the will of the kings of foreign lands, to the sword, to captivity, to pillage, and to disgrace, as is the case today. And now, but a short time ago, mercy came to us from the Lord our God, who left us a remnant and gave us a stake in his holy place. Thus our God has brightened our eyes and given us relief in our servitude. For slaves we are, but in our servitude our God has not abandoned us. Rather, he has turned the goodwill of the kings of Persia toward us. Thus he has given us new life to raise again the house of our God and restore its ruins, and has granted us a fence in Judah and Jerusalem. So I've been saying that a unifying theme for the scripture readings of this week is that God is with us. And that means that God is with us no matter what. Notice that Ezra says that he is confessing his sins and the sins of the nation. And he says our guilt reaches up to heaven. From the time of our fathers, even to this day, great has been our guilt. And yet, God continues to be with his people. Even though they are not always faithful to him, he is always faithful to them. And the same is true of us. There are times when we fail. There are times when we don't live up to the promises that we have made to God and to others. But we can always have confidence that no matter what we may do, God does not abandon us. God is always with us if we will but turn to him. Thank you again for watching. Have a good day.